With the advancement of technology, the marketplace has come much closer to the users because of the usage of smart products to their doorstep without going to the shop, without having any physical strain. To take this advantage and leverage the technology, we want to sell the steel material also through our web-based application. In this, the users, like our individuals who are constructing their houses, a small builder, who are not able to approach RINL because of the lower volumes and who are at a very remote places, can conveniently place their orders across by making payment online and get their material to their doorstep. With this application, we will be reaching to the last mile. We will also get the inquiries getting from the various individuals. What is the actual demand? What is the scope internally or interior places? What is the demand, which you will be knowing it. To start with, this application has been a web-based application which can be conveniently being operated on a mobile also. The usage of smartphone being more, any individual can conveniently place their orders on RINL. With this small brief, I hand over to Sri G.V. Ramesh Garu to take us forward and for the launch of this app. Thank you.
On behalf of IT and ERP department and on my personal behalf, Happy New Year to all of you. Now, I would like to show some 5 to 10 minutes the different features of the system. Then the CMD would be launching the app. The system outline and functions, if you see, these are like this. There are two kinds of activities: customer activities as well as branch management activities. In the chronological order, if you see, first is customer registration, which is one-time activity. Then product search and selection. Then product review before placement of inquiry. Then inquiry generation. With that, the first stage of customer activities would be completed. Then the RINL is promising that within 15 minutes, the concerned branch manager would raise the quotation. This is the heart of the system. Unless this is done, this would not go into the hearts and minds of the people. So I once again request that this should be honored. Then RINL branch officer would raise the quotation against the inquiry. Then at every stage notifications would be there for customer as well as branch officer, branch managers. Then after the completion of quotation raising, in the quotation raising, he would offer the best price, competitive price, based on quantity discounts and whatever that is there. Then the customer activity restarts. Then he makes the payment, and that is done in the payment date offline mode. Then he will enter the UTR number and all those things, IFSC code, bank, branch details and all those things in the portal. Then the payment confirmation is completed. After that, money receipt and invoice generation would be taking place in the ECC, existing SAP system. Up to this is the system. Next. This is the basic index page would be like this. Two images you are seeing. One image is desktop version, the second image is mobile version. That means this system can happily be used. You will be using both desktop as well as mobile. So I request Manisha's Roshan to spread this message on the Dugdugi app so that it would be known to everyone. And Roshan also can become a customer. The next step. This is registration page. Next. Then this is the basic landing page. From this, the inquiry generation and all those things take place. Next. This is for the selection of the materials. Presently, 4 products are being offered: TMT rebar, angles, beams and channels. Slowly, once the popularity increases, then we can expand it to other products also. Next. This is for the actual selection of the quantities and all those things across all the products. Here, it has been designed in such a way that the customer need not enter anything in any text box. He would be using only buttons. So there is no need of any wrong entry or wrong validations of things, all those things. Then next. Then this is the review of the inquiry before confirming. This is exactly like Amazon and Flipkart sort of thing. So before actually committing the transaction, he would be sure that what he is doing. It includes the consignment related addresses as well as bill to address, GST number, everything is taken care of, and new addresses also can be incorporated, which would be visible for the subsequent transactions also. Next. This is the PDF document which can be downloaded into his system. He can take a printout and keep it for file, or he can e-file also. This is for e-file. Next. Now the branch manager activity starts subsequently. Next. Here, this is the branch manager dashboard. The concerned branch manager would be having all the pending inquiries which have to be converted into quotation. That is this one. Next. Here, he would convert inquiry into quotation. Next. This is the quotations template file. It would look like this. It contains the details from the inquiry, details in the quotation, branch related details as well as bank details also. To which account he has to make the payment. Next. Then next. This is now again customer activities restart. Here he would make a payment, that is done through payment gateway and net banking sort of thing, and he would bring those UTR details over here and enter and confirm. Once they are confirmed, next, the payment confirmation receipt also would be generated. After this, the entire data immediately gets transmitted into the SAP ECC system. There the invoice would be generated and tracking can be done. Next. This is the tracking sort of thing of the entire process. You see the bars, green bar, which grows as the activities do complete. Next. Up to this, the current system scope, the future scope of this system is like this. We would like to integrate all transporters. This is the DC subs which immediately to be done. All the transporters should be integrated so that door delivery can take place effectively. That is first point. Then second one is allocating separate stock in each and every branch to cater to the retail customers so that this quotation business totally would be stopped. It is directly he can place the order and make the payment and get the material. That is that would be the ultimate thing in this particular area. And then integrating customer complaints. Of course, presently it is there in CRM portal, but it is integrated. If it is integrated here, then it would be on his mobile. There is no need to go to any computer and do all those things because presently the CRM portal which is there in SAP is not mobile friendly, whereas this is mobile friendly. Then facilitating online customer ledger, it is similar to that. And then the most important, which is value addition for us, is customer behavior analytics. What we are doing in this system is, once a customer enters into the system, even if he doesn't do any transaction, we will find out what is that he is doing, which material he is going, and he is coming out, he is not booking an order. What would be the reason? We can search by going for the Google Analytics sort of thing. So further, the system has been designed in such a way that we have all the information. For example, now the moment it is clicked, immediately who has come, what has been clicked at what time, and what has been searched at what time. All those things are captured, whether transaction done or not done. If it is done, it's good. If it is not done, then we can do research on that. Why he is not interested? What would be the reason? What are the competitors' prices? What are the competitors' quality? All those things can be analyzed. So that the system is made in such a way. That means there is huge background activity that can be done. That is, it's a big scope, sir. So this is the future scope of the system. Next. Now we request CMD sir to come and just launch this app, sir. We have taken one customer's details, sir. We will log into the system.
Enter your email ID.
Yes, sir. Customer's email.
My email ID.
Customer's
Because I am a
email.
customer.
Yes, sir.
I want to buy.
This is the system, sir. We have already created one inquiry that will get the printouts. This is the inquiry of the thing, sir, that we will generate now.
There is the steps to put your order.
I'll show you.
Should be in the help mode.
Yes, sir. It's already
Should
there.
be there. Suppose somebody is very a novice.
Yes, sir.
So CMC rebar in 8 millimeter. कौन खरीद रहा है? CGM साहब खरीद रहे हैं.
On behalf of the customer.
rebar. हमको 2 टन चाहिए. कल भी कोई मुझे फोन किया. I was an employee. I want some construction of my house. मुझे कोई फोन किया. मैंने बोला हम लोग कुछ बना रहे हैं आप लोग देख लो.
सर वो रिटेल यार्ड को हमको यूज करके यहीं से हम लोग को
सोच रहा हूँ करने से क्या होता है जो लोकल विशाखापट्टनम में हम लोग अवेलेबल है तो विशाखापट्टनम के लोग जो है उसका फायदा उठाए
Hassle free and online convenience में.
बट somebody should be given that is the responsibility to upkeep this actually.
ऑलरेडी वी हैव हैव अ ग्रुप सर
हाँ,
एक
एक group बना के-
और रिटेल